My trade deal is very simple. Here's what it is. I am going to make great deals for our country. That's my trade deal. Very simple. We're going to make great deals for our country. You can call it free trade. You can call it 15. You can do whatever you want to call it. We're going to make great deals for our country. Might be free, might not be free.
We need smarter, fairer trade policies. Now, there have been a lot of distortions of my record on trade, so tonight I want to set things straight. To every worker in Wisconsin and every worker across America, if I am fortunate enough to be your president, I will stand with you, I will have your back, and I will stop dead in its tracks any trade deal that hurts America. And what I want you to know is I opposed, when I was in the Senate and actually had a vote, I opposed the only multilateral trade deal that came up. It was called CAFTA, because I thought it was bad for American jobs. And as Secretary of State, I fought for American manufacturers against China's cheating. And then when I finally had the chance to take a look at the final Trans-Pacific Partnership Agreement, I opposed it because I couldn't look in the eye of any American worker and say this deal will raise your wages. We need a president who doesn't just rail against trade or who doesn't enforce trade, but a president who knows how to compete against the rest of the world and win.